Hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of a foldable table which I bought from Flipkart. This is from the company Limraz Furnitures. So I have ordered it before 3 days. Usually the price is about 1499. So day before yesterday I got it for around 1298. So like that I bought off because I need a table for my laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product and see how it is. As you guys can see, this is how the product looks like. The first impression, it looks quite good and the packing also looks fine. So we'll pull out the product from the cardboard box. So guys, this is how the products look like. This is the top of the table. It is a plywood table which is like sandwiched between two mica sheets. For durability, mica is waterproof and it is scratch resistant. So the packing looks fine actually. So in the corners they have given four protective forms so that it doesn't bend from the corners. So we'll flip over the table and see how the back side looks like or the downside looks like. So, okay, in downside they have given a tag so that the table doesn't move, I guess. But there are quite a lot of scratches you can see in the back side, and even the joints you can see it's quite dusty and rusted kind of, and it's also bended. You can see that. I wasn't expecting this. And you can see on the pipe also there are bends. I think it is caused by the shipping or something. Okay, see here there is a scratch, there is a scratch, paint has gone. Okay, anyway, we'll just cut the zip tie and we'll open and see. So after opening the zip tie, right away you can just fix the table. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, here you can see there is again scratches. Oh, there's too much scratches are there on the table. Okay, here is also there is a dent. I don't think I'm going to keep this product actually. The product is really good. I don't know, it's done by the shipping people, they were careless, I don't know. But yeah, there are too many dents, and once in the pipe dent comes, it's more prone to bending, so the durability decreases. So I can't keep this product. Anyway, I'll continue giving the review. So you can just right away fix the legs like that and you can just put it. I'm just trying to check the stability of the table. The table is quite shaky actually. It is not that sturdy as it's supposed to be, because people use it for typing or for studying purposes. When you're writing, the table starts shaking, or many parents are there who are planning to buy for their kids. It won't be that much good because it shakes a lot, so be careful about that. So I'm just checking down any other dents are there. Actually it is shaking quite a lot actually. Oh, okay, this is the border lining which they have given, that is also not stick correctly. Actually the product quality is not at all good. The first impression was good, but as much as we are seeing it one by one, there are many faults on the product. You can see that side lining is gone. So once one side lining is gone, gradually removes from all the sides. The table is quite dusty also. You can see that they haven't cleaned the table thoroughly before sending. Obviously, you are sending to a customer, you should have cleaned it. Actually, when I was buying, the rating was really good, and below I have seen the customer pictures. In that, the packing was really good actually. But in my case, maybe it is like faulty piece which they haven't checked and sent it, or because of the, so you can see like it's not at all usable. This much damages are there. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video and help you people to choose the table correctly. And if this video reach Flipkart or the seller, next time at least they will try to pack and send the product more securely. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.